How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. First of all, you will have to go to your browser and log into your account. So if I try to log in right here, as you can see, it's asking for a device to approve it. So that is two-factor verification. And once you do that, once you verify, only then I am able to log into this account. Alright, so I've verified it from my other device. So once you do that, you should be logged into your account. Now to turn off your two-factor verification, just go ahead and click on your profile at the top right and then go to Settings and Privacy to open your settings. Once your settings is open, just click on Account Center because most of your account related stuff is inside Account Center. And from here, you want to go to Password and Security, and you can find two-factor authentication here. Now choose which account you want to set up or delete two-factor authentication from. I'm just going to select Facebook. And from here, you see all of these options from where your two-factor authentication is turned on. And I have set up an authentication app, so I'm just going to click here. And as you can see, the authentication app is toggled on right now. I'm just going to turn it off and click on turn off. Now, as you can see, two-factor authentication is disabled. So that's how you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please head down below and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.